created the perfect baked oats recipe after comparing like every single recipe on the internet. And I was going to gatekeep it, but I can't take the bad karma. So today we're making it.
So we have half cup of oats, third cup of milk, 1 egg, and half of a banana.
My perfect amount of sweetness is like 1.5 tablespoons, but I just kind of like let it overflow.
Half teaspoon of baking soda and vanilla.
Cinnamon, little pinch of salt, preferably from this cute mushroom shaker. And then we blend.
I don't really know how long I actually usually blend this, but you'll know when it's ready.
Then you're gonna take probably the world's cutest ramekin and fill her up. You can use whatever toppings that you want, but I'm in a chocolate mood, so we're gonna do chocolate chunk. Chunks are better than chips, by the way. I like to throw some down so it gets to the bottom. You want it in every bite. I mean, look at that. Wow. 350, 28 minutes. Never fails me.
As a shock to no one, it's perfect. Ooh, yep. You're gonna try and tell me that that is not the perfect bite?
Here's how I made pancakes out of baby food. I have a ton of baby purees, but my kid doesn't like them anymore. He likes to eat with his hands. You need a half cup of flour, a pack of your baby food, whatever it is, a 1/4 cup applesauce, a 1/4 cup oat milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a dash of cinnamon. You should really talk to your pediatrician if you want to raise your baby vegan. Mine isn't, but this recipe is because he's allergic to eggs. I used applesauce, but you can also use banana as a binding agent. It's really not the prettiest of pancakes. That one is actually kind of sad looking, but you know what? It doesn't matter. He really likes it. Look at that little smile.
These fluffy vegan matcha pancakes will help boost your mood, energy, and metabolism in the morning. Use ceremonial grade matcha to get the most nutrients, smooth and sweet flavor, and vibrant green color. Matcha is full of antioxidants that can reduce cell damage and may help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and even cancer. The amino acid L-theanine balances out the effects of matcha's caffeine, giving you a more relaxed, alert energy than coffee. Green tea extract has also been shown to help increase metabolism and burn fat. Delicious and full of health benefits. You have to try these and thank me later. Like and follow for more.
Baby, you get your way. Nothing I can do.
I see you over there eyeing these gluten-free strawberry basil pancakes. Egg, vanilla, lemon, salt, and I'm whisking it with some water. Now I'm adding in some chopped basil leaves along with some fresh strawberries. I prefer to use cassava flour. Mix this loosely and add in a little baking soda. So I hope this works. I'm just gonna put these two down here so we get a nice little shape in our pancake as we cover it with batter. Maybe not the best idea to put them this close, but I'll make it work. Let these cook until you start to see the bubbles cooking through and give them a flip. Look at how crispy that is. And I'm pretty impressed with myself. This actually worked. I should be a food blogger or something. I'll give you a little close-up of the strawberry one and flip it over to the basil. These flavors go so well together. I've done a few beverages using this flavor combination as well. If you want those recipes, I've got a cookbook on my page you can download. Let's stack these and get them in optimal position for the strawberry compote. This has no refined sugars. I'll share the recipe a little later. I'm just too focused on these pancakes right now. Sorry, I'm like trying to show you more, but I also just want to keep eating it. I gotta stop making food that actually tastes good. So don't forget to follow and grab that recipe book if you want.